I'm with Michael Turner, VP of Marketing for YKKAP. Thanks for joining us, Michael. So tell us first of all, what does YKKAP do?
YKKAP is a major manufacturer of facade systems, windows, doors, entrances, curtain walls, sunshades, those types of products for the building facade.
So it's primarily aluminum, is that right?
Primarily aluminum, yes. Yes.
So as an architect, I love aluminum because the possibilities are endless with extrusions of all different sort of shapes, extensions, really find ways to animate the facade. But I understand that aluminum is undergoing some changes, some difficulties, challenges, let's say.
That's correct. Yeah, I mean the energy codes are really pushing performance down very strongly over the past couple of years. And what we're doing, faced as an industry, is there's really two different ways you can meet that challenge. You can continue using the framing systems and window systems that we have today, and then incorporate high performance glass. That strategy is somewhat challenging sometimes because high performance glass is still somewhat of a specialty. So the types of like suspended film and things of that nature that really drive the performance of the window system down to the new levels that the energy code requires, that type of glass is expensive and also very difficult sometimes to obtain readily because it's still a specialty glass. So timing of a project and delivery of a project may be tight. The other strategy is to use advanced framing systems with standard glass. And the way those framing systems are designed is that there's multiple thermal barriers built into the aluminum product to reduce heat transfer. So it really gives a very good performing frame system, and you can still incorporate the standard glass that's used today and meet the energy code. What that strategy allows you to do is that it sets kind of a new baseline for the industry. You have this advanced framing system that you can use with standard glass to meet the current codes, but then if you want to reach the levels even higher to the green codes, now you can use advanced framing with advanced glass. So our industry has really been faced to meet that challenge, and YKKAP has developed a whole family of products to deal with that.
So the attraction of aluminum is that, I mean, for me, it's been the cost. It's been what's the cost? It's I think the aesthetics also. So I wonder now how with these advanced systems, I mean, how is that affecting the cost? Is it still competitive with now other newer systems, other materials? Are you still less than those other materials?
The facade system, the addition of another. It has somewhat of a very substantial premium. And you know, advanced framing with standard glass, the advanced framing with standard glass is a much more economical solution.
So I enjoy these conversations because I always ask about your plant, your manufacturing plant, which I know is in Georgia, and I know it's been well awarded. Is it a demonstration of the material that we're talking about today?
Yes, it is. Our plant has certified to ISO 14001. So all the controls that we put in place for management of our environmental controls has been audited by ISO, and our systems are very well maintained to deliver, you know, energy efficiency even in the production processes of casting the aluminum and extruding the aluminum and finishing the aluminum with all these advanced finishes. So the Department of Energy recognized us a couple of years ago as a leader in our industry for energy efficiency in manufacturing.
That's fantastic. Well, thank you very much, Michael, from YKKAP